A young hotelier Raj Patel just bought his first property, excited, proud, and ready to celebrate. Grand opening. Raj Patel raises a toast with 4 fellow hoteliers. After the toast, a concerned but halfway through the party, he leans in and whispers. He looks worried and says, "Guys, I need help. I've got way too many issues, smoke complaints, cleanup, even chargebacks. What should I do?" His friends burst out laughing. "Max, you don't know? Kathy, wait, you really don't know? Joe, oh, new hotelier, are you for sure you don't know?" Perry says, "Alerteer is the solution for all your problems. Alerteer Smart Sensors detects smoking from cigarette, marijuana, vape and notifies instantly with scientific data." Perry says, "Alerteer is US patented and US manufacturing company approved by Choice, Wyndham and Marriott, and guess what? They even guarantee charge back." Then, Raj laughs and asks Perry, "Is the smart sensor very costly? Do I need to take another mortgage?" Then Perry indicates with 1 or 2 smoking violation you not only recover the sensor cost, additionally you have extra revenue stream. Raj grabs his phone and says, "Then what am I waiting for? I'm calling Alerteer now. 8444 Alerteer, sales@alerteer.com.